Are you trying to find the best record players? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best record players. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. One of the finest ways to unwind after a hard day is to listen to soothing music. One of the top record players for home use is the Byron Static's record player. It can be placed anywhere, including your living room, bedroom, loft, or even veranda. It is lightweight and portable, and it comes with a suitcase and a handle arm so you can transport it around the house with ease. You can enjoy your best vinyl record collections without additional speakers thanks to the front-facing built-in dual speakers. It can play 7, 10, and 12-inch records at speeds of 33, 45, and 78 RPM using a straight-style tone arm. Along with other features, it incorporates an auto-stop switch, cueing lever, and center hole adapter for turntable speed selection. A dedicated 3.5mm headphone jack and power switch are located on the top of the device. The machine is light enough to be used for a small house party, and setup and operation are as easy as it gets. Number 2. The Dreamer record player is ideal if you're seeking for something more retro and old-fashioned. Despite only weighing 4.96 pounds, this retro-styled phonograph is a heavyweight in and of itself. It supports 7, 10, and 12-inch vinyl records and has 3 speed settings with auto-stop functionality. It includes 2 built-in speakers that are front-facing and each have a separate woofer for better output of the bass and treble. The RCA cable that comes with the device can be used to connect it to your external stereo speakers for even better output. It includes a 3.5mm audio connector, a dedicated volume up, down, power knob, a 45 RPM converter, shock-absorbing feet, and a belt drive. It does have a clear, detachable, hinged dust cover, but it doesn't come with a suitcase. It is the ideal item to give to elderly music fans because of its vintage wood plinth. Number 3. The Wakoda record player earns a spot on the list as the top affordable record player. It's beautiful to look at and enjoyable to listen to this vintage coffee-colored music player. It features a straight tone arm, a belt drive, and a 45 RPM fixator in addition to supporting 33, 45, and 78 RPM speeds. On this device, you may listen to all of your vinyl collections because it supports 7, 10, and 12 inches records. Additionally, it has an LP speed changeover mode and an auto-stop switch. You may attach your smartphone, MP3, or other digital audio players to the Wakoda record player thanks to its wireless Bluetooth compatibility. Along with an aux jack and an RCA output jack, it offers a separate 3.5mm audio jack. For protection against vibration and feedback, the feet of the device have spring reinforcement. For dust and other high-impact mishaps, it provides a collocation dust cover to shield your device. Number 4. The DIGITNOW Bluetooth record player is not just the greatest record player on this list that is Bluetooth-enabled, but also one of the best players out there. Compared to the vintage-styled Dreamer record player, this feature-rich record player has a more contemporary sound. Naturally, Bluetooth wireless communication is supported. A memory card reader is also included, in addition to a radio cassette, USB port, and remote control, and 350 display, as well as a number of front-facing buttons and knobs, enabling you to handle this 3-speed record player's main operations. A tuning knob is present in addition to the volume, power control. Additionally, it has play, pause, previous, next, stop, and 3.5mm audio jacks as well as an aux jack. As well as having an analog AM/FM radio built and an auto-stop feature, it also enables you to scan your vinyl records into MP3 format. Both the dust cover and the side-mounted speakers are detachable. Number 5. Are you a fan of music and going camping or on a weekend getaway? The Jorlai record player will be a useful traveling companion if such is the case. Your trip or retreat will be more than worthwhile with the aid of this portable vinyl record player. You can easily pack it into the trunk or backseat of your car or RV because it comes in a suitcase. Even in a hotel room, it is simple to set up and run. Its built-in speakers eliminate the need for a complex sound system setup. The battery-operated Jorlai record player can operate for up to 5 hours on a single charge. It can play your 7, 10, and 12 inches vinyl records and has 3-speed presets at 33, 45, and 78 RPMs. It has a separate 3.5mm headphone socket for your private listening enjoyment, as well as wireless Bluetooth connectivity. It has an SD card reader and a USB port. You can rip your vinyl to MP3 or WAV using the audio recording software that is included with it. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.